Hi everyone, today I'm sharing how I make my red enchiladas. This is my favorite and easy recipe. I really hope you enjoy. To start off, I'm going to boil some water, maybe about 4 cups, just enough where I can submerge all of my chilies. While I wait on water to start boiling, I'm going to devein the chilies. If you like your salsa spicy, you can leave them or remove some if you like your salsa mild. Make sure to completely submerge them into the water. We are going to let them sit here for a few minutes. Then we're going to transfer them to a blender along with the onion, oregano, garlic, salt, black pepper, and approximately 1 cup of the juices left from the chilies boiled. Or you can also replace this with chicken or vegetable stock. Now is the time to do a taste test. It looks like mine needs a little bit more salt, and the consistency is up to you. I like mine a less thick, so I'll be adding more stock. I'm going to be adding some canola oil to our pan. You can fill in your enchiladas with anything you like. You can even go as far as making them vegetarian and add vegetables and black beans. Today I'm making them with chicken. I usually will add chicken with diced onions, sometimes chicken with shredded Mexican style cheese. So to start, we're going to submerge our tortillas into the oil and then dip it into the salsa we just made. Some people prefer to dip it into the salsa first, but to me I feel like it's less messier this way. To finish this off, we're going to add some lettuce, or you can also add spinach. I like to mix it around and add a variety of vegetables into our meals, and I do that sometimes and I really don't notice much difference. Then we're going to also add some onions, cheese, and sour cream. And that is it for today's video. I hope you try out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.